Alright, bro. I'm gonna just get straight into it. Like, I'm back where I was a few weeks ago, and the thing is, like, this time wasn't even on me, dude. Like, I don't know what. I know exactly what happened here, and the truth is, like, you know, I learned from my previous lessons to ensure something like this wouldn't happen ever again. Yet it did, unfortunately. But at this point, like, all I can do is just keep moving forward. So without further ado, we're gonna get straight into it. So you know the whole last week, markets were trending downwards. um but in my opinion, based off the research that I did, I still felt like there was some buying pressure here and there. It like it just this market, like, this week was a really choppy week. I guess that's what I can really call it, I guess. But everything went smooth for the most part, except Nvidia burned me again. And the thing is, like, I wouldn't even gotten burned if I just held it through for like 2 more hours. And yeah, we're gonna talk about that today. So let's go to the weekly recap. So this week I had 3 trades, one continuing from last week, and that was Meta. But no, on Monday I opened up SPY and I opened up Nvidia. Did my due diligence, stuck through with my margin of safety, everything lined up. So I was happy to enter it. Yet unfortunately, yeah, I got burned, and this should be negative. And I guess I have a reason for that, and the reason is we went on a camping trip with my friends. We got back today a few hours ago, unpacked, freshened myself up. And the thing is, like, I literally closed this position in the car when I was with them, because Nvidia was it hit a low of 406, so I was literally at the money. And like, bro, like, I wasn't gonna take the full loss. Like, I'm never gonna do that. Yet this keeps happening to me over and over again. Like, every time I've gotten a red trade, it's never went in the money after I've closed it. It's just like bounced back. So I don't know what to do about it. So if y'all have some advice, you feel me? Like, I'd love to I'd love to like, I would love to hear what you have to say. Like, bro, this like this one went in the money and then it came right back out. Like, I just don't know what to do. But the bright side is I have a new perspective on Nvidia, and it is the new Tesla. So I have to treat it with more caution. uh like, honestly, I don't know. I don't even know what to say, bro. Like, I might do monthly or bi-weekly options at this point, because you can go way out of the strikes and you can still collect a fat premium. Actually, let's just run it through now. Let's go out. Let's go out 2 weeks. Sell put. Oh, these are what they meant by the custom. Okay. Let's go down to an actual price here. Yeah, these are outrageous prices. But I definitely don't think it's going down to 375. Like, that's just absurd. But that is 80% I implied volatility. But I think, yeah, it kind of just let's go down a little bit more. Okay, they're all 80%. So I'm gonna just go with a cool 370 and yeah, 365. So this, I'm gonna just start doing this, bro. I'm so tired of talking. I don't even want to talk about this. Like, I want to talk about it, obviously. I'm gonna enter that like position. I'm gonna do some technical analysis on it. But you know, nothing new. This is the road to get back up there is going to be a lot harder. But yeah, like I had solid reasons to get in these trades. Everything just lined up. But Nvidia just burned me this week, which is, I don't know, bro. Me and Nvidia, it's like a toxic relationship. It's been a cash cow, and it has been a thief to my brokerage, to my account as well. But let me not sulk on Nvidia too much. What's done is done. Let's go back to the trades like Meta. So Meta I entered a week ago, and it expired today. I entered the 280 put because I knew like damn well Meta wasn't going to break below 300 anytime soon. This, you know, this seems to be the case with like tech stocks when earnings are coming up. They push the price down so they could rally it up, and that's what's going on with Nvidia is my hypothesis. Like, it just makes sense. We'll see how that plays out. So yeah, this trade is done. I might do the same trade, honestly, but we'll see where it goes. Next is SPY. So SPY, this is the first time I traded SPY in a long time, and I think it's because the premiums were just worth it. You know, like the IV increased. Not much else to say. I really provided all the reasons on Monday, so it's just, you know, these videos, they're gonna be really short from now on. Like, yeah, I mean, it did take a bit of a fall, and I bought more of it, obviously, my IRA. But might start doing monthly options on SPY as well, because why not? And low-key, like, if I'm like, I just need some time to like write this down, journal it, and process it. I mean, it's nothing new. I'm not like baffled or anything. It's just like, why? You feel me? Like, just when I thought I was doing quite well, this was supposed to be the week where I broke even, and where I was supposed to have like at least gotten $7 all time. But you know, minor setback. I need this gray block right here. But those were the weekly trades. Yeah, like, I genuinely don't know what to say, bruh. So, you know, it is what it is. And losses happen. Can't stop them all the time. But I'll see you guys all next time. I'm gonna go read some shit. Maybe watch some Jujutsu Kaisen and call it a night. Redo my technical analysis because this weekend it's pretty busy for me. But yeah. So enjoy or whatever.